Hello everyone! In this video we're going to have a look at our new application DocCam app from WolfVision. It's an Android app which is for free of charge and can be installed on any kind of interactive boards, for example in a classroom. The idea is to combine such an interactive board with our visualizers. In this case we show here the VZ2 UHD, and these two devices are just connected to the network and they communicate over the network. It can be challenging to install such devices with HDMI or USB because the length of the cable can be the limit, but also the control of the whole setup can be complicated. If I would be the teacher and I want to show some information here from my model, but also from my notebook, I would have to stand up and change the sources, go back to the presentation and so on. With the DocCam app, it's installed here on the board. We just have access now directly to the visualizer, and in addition we also have the control buttons for the visualizer. So if you want to zoom in or we want to zoom out, that can be done directly here. We also can use the annotation function using these pens, but also in this case the built-in annotation to discuss details. I can also use my finger and talk about the ligaments of this knee. As we said, in addition, also the information from my notebook will be interesting. For that, we also build in the HDMI toggle switch here, because the only setup is that we combine or we connect the HDMI cable from the notebook to the visualizer, the HDMI input of the visualizer, and also get access over the network for that. So the visualizer is somehow the docking station on the table and gives me the possibility to use it as a DocCam, as an HDMI input, but also with the VZ2 to use it as a webcam for web conferencing, or I flip the head to the room and show the classroom as a room camera, for example. You can find DocCam app on our website for download, but also in Google Play Store. If you need more info, please visit WolfVision.com, and thanks for watching.